Hello, my name is Jackson. I was one of the 2020 Pawsey Summit interns. The project I worked on involved a disease known as Battens disease, which is a fatal childhood disorder. It's a neurological disorder. And we explored the link between steroid molecules affecting membrane fluidity of the cell and how this can also alleviate disease symptoms. But this link isn't fully understood, and we wanted to set up a system that could begin to explore that link. To do this, we took 6 different steroid molecules and we inserted them into a system of water and octanol, and we took energy samples of the molecule at varying points between the 2 centers of mass of the water and the octanol. We were looking for what's known as the partition coefficient, and we wanted to see if we could build a system that would replicate real-world or predicted results that have been published in chemical databases such as PubChem. I came into this project with pretty minimal knowledge about code, and that I'd never actually programmed before, so it was pretty daunting taking on all of the new knowledge from the get-go. My bachelor's is in medical science, but I wanted to explore the computational side of things as I progressed through my master's and hopefully further on through my academic career. Fortunately, through the internship, we were given heaps of different resources, access to workshops, lots of just different things, giving a really hands-on approach at how to learn all of these things. We also had a bunch of support from all the staff and mentors at Pawsey, which was great. Having those people available to answer all of your dumb questions is really fantastic, quite a rare opportunity, as I'm sure, but it was really good to have that to take advantage of. In doing all of this, I learned that having access to a bunch of very smart and knowledgeable people is essentially a superpower. I've definitely been the type to try and learn things independently and spend a lot of time up all night by myself, not getting the hang of it, feeling really demotivated and thinking that the problem is with myself, but really it's just the effect of having great mentorship is really valuable, whether that's through a project supervisor or colleagues in an internship. When it came to the actual project, I really, weirdly enough, enjoyed the smaller technical sides of things. I spent a lot of time slaving over rendering my systems properly and setting up the graphs with all nice color schemes and stuff to make sure it all looked good for the final poster presentation. And this isn't something I'd really gotten into before, but I guess the good thing about starting a project like this is that when you take a certain amount of control, it becomes like your baby in a way, and you get to have your own influence on it, and that helps you get really involved with the project. And that really helps with things like confidence when it comes to having to present at the end, because you definitely know a lot more about what's going on by the end. You're really comfortable, and that helps when you have to present to a bunch of people. So an internship like this, I think, was a very valuable experience because it's very rare, I imagine, having access to so many resources. I don't think I can imagine there's going to be another time quite like that. We've just got so many people that you can annoy all the time to ask for help with small things, or give you advice here and there, and that are so focused on helping you to reach your goal at the end. It's a really great experience, and that I'm very thankful.